Hi everyone, welcome to Cock Channel. Today, let's make this adorable little bunny together. It's super easy to make, and you'll get it right away. Crumple a sheet of A4 paper into a round shape. Shape it into an oval with one large end and one small end. Then, wrap it with tape to secure the shape. It should look like this. Next, take a pipe cleaner. Coil one end into a small circle. Apply some glue, press it onto the top of the paper shape, and start wrapping. Keep applying glue as you wrap the pipe cleaner. Continue until the entire body is completely covered. Once you've finished wrapping, it should look like this. Next, apply some glue and attach two small eyes. Take another pipe cleaner, measure about 2.5 centimeters, and fold it in half. Twist the base tightly to secure it. Then, cut off the piece you just shaped. Shape it into a bunny ear, apply some glue, and attach it to the head. Coil it like this to make a small fluffy ball. Apply some glue to hold it in place. Attach the fluffy ball to make the bunny's tail. Next, prepare a little pink blush. Gently apply it to the inside of the ears. Then, add a little blush to both cheeks. And our little bunny is complete. Once you've made yours, don't forget to show me the finished result. Let me know in the comments what tutorial you'd like to see next.